The story, Lily's favorite colors and shapes. Lily is a little girl who loves colors and shapes. She has many toys in her room, and they are all different colors and shapes. One day, Lily decided to organize her toys by color and shape. She started with her blocks. She has red, blue, yellow, and green blocks. The red blocks are square, the blue blocks are round, the yellow blocks are triangles, and the green blocks are rectangles. Lily likes the red square blocks the most because red is her favorite color. Next, Lily looked at her stuffed animals. She has a brown bear, a white rabbit, and a pink cat. The bear is big and round, the rabbit is long and oval, and the cat is small and square. Lily likes the pink cat the most because she loves the color pink. Then, Lily went to her bookshelf. Her books are different colors too. She has a blue book that is tall and rectangular, a yellow book that is small and square, and a green book that is big and round. Lily likes the yellow book the most because it has pictures of flowers inside, and flowers are her favorite shape. Finally, Lily looked at the pictures on her wall. She has a picture of a red heart, a blue star, and a green circle. Lily loves the red heart the most because it is her favorite shape. Lily's mom came into the room and saw how nicely she organized her toys. "Great job, Lily," her mom said. "You did a wonderful job with the colors and shapes." Lily smiled and said, "I love colors and shapes. My favorite color is red, and my favorite shape is a heart."